This exact recipe helped me lose 10 plus pounds of body fat without feeling starved, and it literally takes only 10 minutes, but only if you do it the smart way. It's under 500 calories, has 60 grams of protein, and it'll keep you full for hours without feeling the need to snack. This is also what my clients have been eating to get results like this without feeling starved. So in today's video, I'm going to break it all down. I'm going to walk you through all of the ingredients that you need to make this meal that'll save you tons of time in the morning before heading to work. So the reason why most women fail when it comes to properly fueling themselves in the morning is because they're trying to cook an entire meal from scratch at 5, 6 a.m. You know, you're waking up at 5 a.m., you're chopping chicken, you're chopping veggies, all before a long shift. That's too fatiguing. So one concept that I really like to implement for my clients is telling them to ingredient prep versus meal prep. So notice here how I have all my ingredients out in front of me. What's really going to save you a lot of time during this recipe is making sure that you have your ingredients already prepped. So like I mentioned, you don't want to be chopping chicken and chopping veggies at 5 o'clock in the morning. So earlier on in the week, when you have a little bit of free time, you want to make sure that you have your bell peppers and your chicken already prepped in the fridge. So I recommend just taking a big bowl and chopping up all your peppers, chopping up all your chicken, and just store it in the fridge for the week. So that when the morning time comes, all you simply have to do is just pour everything into the pan. And the beautiful thing about ingredient prepping versus meal prepping is that you're not tied down to the same 7 meals for the entire week. If you feel like having this meal I'm going to walk you through for the first 3 days of the week, you can do that because you have your chicken prepped. Now, if you feel like switching it up for the second half of the week and maybe you feel like having chicken burritos for breakfast, you can do that because you have your ingredients prepped. So for this meal, you're going to need 1 cup of diced bell peppers, 4 ounces of cooked grilled chicken, 1 cup of egg whites, around 1 to 2 handfuls of spinach, 1 whole egg, and salt and pepper. Optional is you can throw on a little bit of cheese when you're done. So we're going to lightly coat our pan with a little bit of oil and pour in 1 cup of our bell peppers. Give that a quick stir. You're going to saute this for around 2 minutes. You don't need to cook this for long. We're really not trying to get it brown. We really just want to get it soft. You're then going to add in 4 ounces of your chicken breast. Give that a quick stir. You want to add around 2 handfuls of spinach. I like to add in a splash of water just to help the spinach cook a little quicker. Cover and let that sit for about a minute. After about a minute, mix everything together. The spinach should be a lot smaller in volume. Look at all those beautiful colors. Now you want to crank the heat up to about medium and you want to add in 1 cup of your egg whites. And then add in 1 whole egg. I like to just mix it around a little bit. After you crank the heat up, let it sit covered for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, uncover and it should look a little something like this. So now you just want to stir everything together. Not a big deal if some of it sticks to the bottom, honestly. Give that a nice little stir. Season it to your liking. I just like to keep it simple and use salt and pepper. Oh my God, it smells so good. Now you're just gonna throw that onto your plate or your bowl, whatever you're bringing to work. I'm just gonna sprinkle on a little cheese. And there's our finished product. So this is a very intentional meal, and I structured it this way for a specific reason. Now, the reason why we want to add in around 1 cup of bell peppers is because this is going to add volume to the meal without drastically increasing the calories. It has a high water content and roughly 3 grams of fiber, so it's going to activate that satiety signal to help keep you fuller for longer. And the bright colors just helps the meal look more appealing and appetizing psychologically. If you're dieting and your plate looks tiny, you're going to feel restricted, so adding more volume, such as bell peppers, is going to help fix that. Now, the 4 ounces of chicken breast is going to give us enough protein to start our day, and it's going to help us build and preserve muscle. Not to mention, it's also a lean protein source, so we're getting more protein per 100 calories compared to, let's say, if we use chicken thighs, for example. This is key for women who are trying to lose body fat because you don't want to just lose weight. You want to lose body fat. So we want to make sure that we eat enough protein to help preserve muscle. Because if you undereat protein, you're not just going to lose body fat, you're also going to lose muscle. If you value convenience, you could also just buy the chicken that's already cooked to save you even more time. Now, the spinach is also going to add more volume to the meal, and it's loaded with micronutrients such as iron, for example. Now, iron is better absorbed when we pair it with vitamin C. Now, if we think about the bell peppers that we added, bell peppers are loaded in vitamin C, so these two go great together. We're being very intentional. The 1 cup of egg whites is also going to give us lean protein, and since this meal is low in fat, I decided to add in 1 egg. Of course, fat is still an important macronutrient, 100%, but it holds more calories per gram compared to carbs and protein, so we just want to be mindful of our fat intake. If I only did whole eggs for this recipe instead of egg whites, the fats would add up fast. Now, of course, fat isn't the enemy, we just want to control it. That's all I got for you guys for this recipe. Now, if your goal is to build muscle and lose body fat, adding this into your meals to rotate throughout the week can be a game changer for you, especially if you're somebody who works long back-to-back shifts and you really struggle to get enough protein in. Now, if you want more high protein, low calorie meals just like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe because this channel was made specifically for you. And if you want more support and guidance with your training and your nutrition through one-on-one coaching to help you get results like this, I'm going to link a video to this video that walks you through my entire process to help you build muscle and lose body fat, but most importantly, keep it off. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.